Hey guys, this is David again. I'm back with another video. I drove out to the Parker Square Car and Truck Show there in Mound, Texas. Man, we had a great time. Was lots of cars out, and of course, I got to bring my beautiful red C7 out for the first time. Like I say, it was a blast. Got some footage here and show you a few cars and you know point out the ones that I really enjoy seeing. There she is, parked right next to the orange car there, looking pretty good. Got a little Stingray action right there. Man, this old school Corvette sounds really nice. Really nice. Sounds good. Beautiful. Lovely paint job. Classic. This Corvette right here, I believe it was a 22. It actually took the show. Lovely. Another Stingray. Beautiful Camaro. Got a little something under the hood. Super clean, super clean. Another C5, I believe, Corvette here. Was loaded down, really nice. Yeah, C5. Antique. I believe this was a Rooster Ford 1930s, 20, something like that. Yeah, there's a bunch of cars out. Pretty busy little area. A lot of people out just enjoying the day, having fun. Plenty of venues. People doing their things. This Z51, I believe this was a 21. Could be a 22. No, it's 21. Man, this thing here, it won People's Choice, Best in Show, People's Choice. It was super nice. Had the Lambo doors, all that. This guy here, he brought a trophy home. He said he had this car for 15 years. I asked him how long he had the Pro Charger on there. He said it's been ever since he bought it. That's the only way he's driven it. Super sick truck right here. Can't go wrong. These trucks right here, once they're done, man, they're lovely. Beautiful truck. I believe this guy won several trophies, plaques. Another beautiful black car. Paint sharp as all get out. But anyways, guys, thanks for watching. And until next time, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment, and let me know what you think. Peace.